In this video, I will show you how to use the Snapchat My AI feature. First, launch open Snapchat on your device. Now head over to this chat section by tapping on the chat icon. Now you want to locate My AI over here. Go ahead and select that. You can also tap on the search bar and type My AI and search for that. Now tap on it to open the conversation. You can type a message, ask question, get recommendations, brainstorm ideas, or have a casual chat just like you would with a friend. You can also customize My AI by tapping on its profile. Now you can add bio from here if you want that. Depending on your app version, you might also be able to rename it, change its appearance, or adjust any other settings. If voice conversations are available, you can use that as well. You can also tap on the attachment option to send any kind of attachment from your gallery, or you can click a picture or record a video and send that as well. If you do not see the My AI option, make sure that Snapchat is updated to the latest version. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.